You have a PC, but you haven't enabled this feature. You're practically begging for a disaster. Let me save you from a future crisis. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a feature that can save you a lot of time and frustration. It is about restore points in Windows. What is System Restore and restore points? System Restore is a built-in Windows tool that creates snapshots of your system's files and settings. These snapshots, called restore points, can be used to revert your computer to a previous state if something goes wrong. Why is it important? There are many reasons why you should configure System Restore points. Here are a few. Software installation. If you install a new program that causes problems, you can use a restore point to uninstall it without affecting the rest of your system. Driver updates. If you install a new driver that causes your computer to crash, you can use a restore point to revert to the old driver. Virus and malware infections. If your computer is infected with malware, you can use a restore point to remove it without losing any of your data. System updates. If a Windows update causes problems, you can use a restore point to revert to the previous version of Windows. How to configure System Restore points. Configuring System Restore points is easy. Here's how. Open the Start menu. Type Restore Point or System Restore, then click on System Restore. Do this. Select a partition. Make sure you have minimum 300 MB of free space on each hard disk with system protection enabled. Click Configure button. Turn on system protection. Set 2 to 10% of the total storage space on the partition. A good starting point is around 2%, which should be sufficient for most users. Click OK button. Finally, create a restore point. Give file name. Click Create button. The restore point was successfully created. Click Close, then OK. In our future video, we will show you how to recover your PC from restore points or test your restore points. Here are a few additional tips for using System Restore points. Create restore points regularly. It's a good idea to create a restore point before major system changes like installing new software, drivers, or hardware, making significant system configuration changes, or performing system maintenance tasks. Monitor your disk space. System restore points can take up a lot of disk space. Make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive. Conclusion? System restore points are a valuable tool that can save you a lot of time and frustration. Trust me, configuring these settings will save you from a digital meltdown. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe my channel, and share it to your colleagues and family members. And don't forget to leave a comment or your question on the comment box. I truly appreciate each and every one of you who subscribes and watches. You mean the world to me.